so here we are. We're on our way home. We just turned off the I-10 exit through Niceville, coming through Niceville. And Michelle informed me that she hates driving down these roads because they're dark. And that's usually what happens at night.
Oh, yeah.
But she also just informed me that when she does drive down these roads, she honks her horn every minute. Because every 30 seconds, excuse me, she honks her horn down this 20-mile road.
Well, you gotta scare them off.
She says she's to scare off deer. Even if I'm gonna choke. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to sit here and listen to that horn go every 30 seconds. Oh my God, can she keep it up, folks?
Oh, you bet I will.
Oh my God. We have just had the most epic road trip. Turn that music down, man. We've had the most epic We've had the most epic road trip. We just got back from Gainesville. We went to Atlanta, saw the Kings of Leon, and now we're heading back. Oh my God.
Okay, blinded.
Blinded. Michelle, no, I'm not kidding. You're gonna crack me up, so I'm gonna pee my pants. All right, we don't want to have
this field right here. Every time we drove back from Jacksonville, we always wanted to stop and take pictures, but we never did.
Oh my God. So yeah, there you have it, folks. Michelle tooting the horn every 30 seconds. That was a bonus. that was the bonus toot.
What a treat.
I know, what a treat. Did you have fun this weekend, Michelle?
Heck yes.
Heck yes. Toot toot. Oh my God. Yeah. Our next trip is to Orlando, baby. Then to New Orleans for One Republic.
Hey, have I hit a deer yet? Yeah, it's working.
There have to be deer for you to scare, to hit.
Well, no, they hear my horn. They don't show up.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Anyway, there you have it, folks. I just thought I'd share this moment with you. Mine and Mimi over and out. Say goodbye, Michelle.
Peace.